Alright lads, Rob here again from Kickback Garage. Today I'm going to put you out of the misery. Once and for all, I'm going to try and start this beast up. So go grab a coffee and I'll send the scooter over. Right, I'm going to jabber a bit first, obviously, because it's got to be exciting. As you can see here, I've fit the horn cast, and that just fit perfectly. I thought, when I first lined it up, I thought I was going to have to jiggle around with the holes and stuff like that, but no, it went straight on. The horn cast grill, that fits just perfectly. That one's, that item there is from Scootopia, yet again, thank you very much, and that was a great fit. The original one that I bought for this scooter, I bought from MB Scooters, and the holes were miles out. But this one, straightforward fit, so that's good. So what I did was, I fit the horn cast loosely, bolted up those two holes there, and because I hadn't fastened down the mudguard, I just lifted the whole assembly up and tied it down. That's great. I need to start it up because I need to check the electrics. I think I'm missing an earth somewhere, but I'm going to have to scratch my head a little bit. I'm hopefully, I really want, if we get good weather, it'd be great to take this out for a ride next weekend, or at least within the next couple of weeks or something like that. But first job, start her up. Now I've filled up petrol, so it smells like shit in here. And yeah, this is like this most exciting and most depressing time of a lambretta rebuild, or any rebuild whatsoever. It's like, is it going to start? Is it going to be able to tick over okay? Yeah, so it's like, I can't wait and I can wait at the same time. So you can, that's why I'm jabbering, basically. So let's give it a go, see if I can get it started. I think I'll have to put on the old chalk there. Yeah, and another thing you have to remember, last time I tried starting this thing, I'm not used to keys. I've had LIs for years and years, so these fancy TVs, they've got keys. So let's throw a key in and turn on the ignition. Which one is it? All these keys look the same. Is it this one? The anticipation is killing us. I'm not sure. There's about 300 clicks on that key there. So, but I'll turn it all the way on. Maybe I shouldn't turn it all the way on. I'm not sure. Is it just one? We'll find out. Okay, baby. This is probably the stage where I kick it over and it falls off the workbench. Okay, let's kick. Oh, I'm gonna have to move it off the bench a little bit. So I'll smack the kickstart on the workbench there. Oh. It wants to do something. That front brake is spongy. Okay, the brake light is working. Right, so the brake light is working. I forgot to test the horn. I haven't put the have to let me open the door. See if I can get some tick over going on there. Right. That damn key. All is working. Oh, why won't it tick over? Oh. Oh. Hey! Sounds sweet. It's a bit low. So, what's going on there? I have to mess around with the air screw, basically. It's drowning. It's drowning in my sorrows. But it's working. It's working. Right, well, it fired up. It's a little bit grumpy, not enough air, so I reckon I have to adjust the air screw there, and I'll get it to tick over nicely. I reckon that it starts really, really easy, and it sounds sweet as a nut. Now, like I said, it was just a quick video. I wanted to put you fellas out of your misery, so I hope that satisfied you, and I'll see you in the next one. Okay, lads, ta-ra!